Okay, a shape question. You look at here where it tells you some information here. C, D, E, F is a straight line. That's C to D to E to F. That's a straight line. AB is parallel to CF. So AB, that's AB, parallel to CF. You should be able to see that anyway because it's got two arrows there and there going in the same direction, which shows you that that is parallel to that. And DE is equal to AE. So DE, that's that line there, in AE, that line there, they're equal, and again you know they're equal because you've got a line and another line. It shows you two sides are equal, or lines, equal length that is. So this kind of information here, it tells you, but really you should be able to take that from the diagram anyway. Work out the size of the angle marked X. So here, you must give reasons for your answer. So it's not good enough, it's a 4-mark question, it's not good enough just to say the number. You've got to put your reasons in. Okay? So, how are we going to find that? Well, we've got the two sides here and the triangle, which means that's an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangles, those two angles are the same. We don't know what they are yet because we either need one of them or we need that one. Now if you look, because you know that line is parallel to this line, you got this line coming down here like that, you actually have the shape of a Z, which means that that angle there and this angle here are Z angles. Now unfortunately you can't get a mark for saying Z angles anymore, you have to say alternate angles. That's the official name anyway. So those two angles are, because they're in the corners of the Z shape when you've got two parallel lines, they're the same, they're 38 degrees, because they are alternate angles. So you have to put that angle, which we will call AED, because it goes from A to E to D. So AED equals 38 degrees, and then you've got to put a reason, so it's alternate angles are equal. So that's our first part. Now you know that one, you can work out this and this, because angle in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if I do 180 and I take away that 38, take away 38, that gives us 142 degrees. That means the rest of the angle, the rest of the triangle, the angles in the triangle must add up to 142. And because we know these two are the same, because isosceles triangles have two equal sides, then we know we can just divide that by 2. So 142 divided by 2 equals 71 degrees. So we know that that is 71 degrees and that is 71 degrees. So at this point I can say two angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. Also, angles in a triangle equal 180 degrees. You might want to add that as well, because we know that that plus that plus that add up to 180 degrees. This is angle, that's the sign for angle in a triangle, which I sort of messed up, should look like a triangle, equals 180 degrees. Okay, so we know that that's 71, so now we can work out that because they are on a straight line. So angles on a straight line are equal to 180 degrees. So I'm going to take 71 away from 180 and that will give me this one. So 180 take away 71, that gives us 109 degrees, and our reason for that working is angles on a straight line add to 180 degrees. They're also known as adjacent angles. So you could write adjacent angles add up to 180 degrees. But if you don't want to remember the term adjacent, just remember angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. There's our reason. So 109 degrees. There we go. And I'll find that and you'll get the marks.